Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video here on the Bitfund's channel. It's your boy Zay. We talk about crypto analysis. We look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins. We also tap into the S&P 500 and just look at different ways in which we can make money within these financial markets. All right, today is Friday. It's the end of the week. It's May 30th, 2025. It is currently 8:41 a.m. in the morning, and Bitcoin is sitting at $105,000, right? So we already, tapped in and just seeing where prices at currently. But if we do a quick recap, we can see that we created an all-time high here around May 22nd. So like 8 days ago, we were able to create an all-time high, which is sitting around $112,000. Bitcoin has decided to retrace since then. Pardon me. Has decided to retrace since then. It decided to come back down to the support level that I have drawn out here at $106,000, and it tried to bounce off of it one time, and it came back down, and it couldn't hold a second time. So it looks as though we are looking for new levels of support along the chart. So you have this level here. Man, that was kind of quick. That was crooked. You have this level here. You have this level here. You also have this key area right here, right? So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3 levels mainly. This is going to be my strongest level right here around $97,000. Excuse me, guys. I do have, or I'm recovering from a cold, so if it sounds a little funny, that's just why. But yeah, we've been doing really well within Bitcoin's price action. I am looking for a correction, so my main correction, like I just mentioned, is going to be somewhere here in between $99,000, or really in between $96,000 and $99,000. So if we're able to get some form of support within this area right here, I think that would be really good for Bitcoin and altcoins to follow. Right now we are correcting, which is good, and it's shaking people out, getting them scared, believing that price is going to continue down and we're going to start the bear market, which can of course happen, because anything can happen in these financial markets. But one of the things that's going to give you an edge is the amount of research that you do, the amount of back testing that you do, the amount of confluences that you have, that you're able to build an argument, that you're able to have a correct thesis of what's going on within the market, right? So that's just tapping into and making sure you're doing your research daily, doing your due diligence, like all these things. It plays a factor into how you're able to make money, right? Nobody just really gets lucky for real, and just makes money and sustains it. A lot of people can hit the lotto, of course, boom, but 9 times out of 10, if they have poor financial habits, they're going to lose the money just as quick as they got it. That's just fact, right? That's just fact. But if we get back to what's going on here, Bitcoin did come back down and test previous all-time high, which was around $73,000, and it was a very quick, very quick type of retest here on the daily. As you can see, we've had really 1-2 candles come down and test this area, but for the most part, we front ran this area. We were able to get up very bullish since this area. This is really like the first time we've had a break of structure. Like, this didn't count a break of structure, this didn't count. This is the first time. So now that we're getting a break of structure, once we come down and form a respectable area of support, I think that is a key area, a key time to enter into 2025 bull run. Like, that's just where we at with that. It's a beautiful thing to see. If you have endured like all this, especially if you endured all this, that is just, I don't know what to say. Like, now if you've been experiencing these things, then it's go time. It's money time. Like, you just have an understanding. You just have an instinctual feeling that, all right, it's time to go. It's time, right? Because you experienced all this. I'll be honest, I entered in February of 2021. So I entered damn near at the highs, right? I entered around $40,000. Bitcoin topped out maybe a month later, February, March, April, 2 months later, around $65,000, right? When I could have experienced this, but I didn't. That's just where my journey is. So I got into Bitcoin around $40,000. I rode this all. I've seen all this. I've witnessed all of this. This is time. This this is a good amount of time, right? I'm gonna do just a little reflection right here. I've watched Bitcoin for 1,500 days, man. 1,500 days. That's a long time to be watching something. 1,500 days. So if I put in 1,500 days, I know I put in way more than 10,000 hours. I got to. It got to be, right? But that's neither here nor there. I'm just proud of the progress that I've been making. I'm proud of the trials and tribulations. And I hate to go on a rant right now, but that's just where I'm at with it. Yeah, so we're looking for some support. Hopefully, once we get a nice bounce off support, hopefully like a wick, something that's strong that gives us a key indication, like, all right, this thing reversing. Once you get that type of indication right there, that's just a prime indicator, like it's go time. So when that time comes, just be ready. Right now, just be patient. Ain't nothing crazy going on besides the fact that we dropping back down to a support level. Same thing with Ethereum. Dropping, we interacted with a key area, dropping back down to support level. Just be ready for that. Same thing here. We coming back and testing this mid range. 9 times out of 10, we'll come back and test lower levels to grab some more support. Similar thing with Doge. Like, I got all these levels marked off. It's just playing out perfectly. If we look at it, S&P 9 times out of 10, we are retracing. And that's what happened yesterday from what it looks like. If we continue to retrace, I do expect Bitcoin to continue to come back down. But that's just where I'm at with it, right? Nothing too crazy. I did give y'all, just a little rant of where I'm at with it, where I'm at with Bitcoin right now. And we just gonna continue to see how well we can develop in these markets. When the time comes, make sure you are ready, because it's gonna come. Your time gonna come. Your time is gonna come. I'm not only speaking to you, I'm speaking to myself, right? And that's how we're gonna end the video. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all on a later date. I'm proud of y'all. Let's keep this shit rolling. I'm gone.